Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I hope you have completed your homework and classwork. Yes children, in the previous class we have studied about addition of integers without using number line. Yes or no? Yes. Now let us recall what was done in the previous class. Okay, listen carefully. All of you look at the board. See your question. First question, add the following integers. Okay, here two integers are given. Now we have to add, okay, without using number line. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Now you see that in first question 71 plus minus 21. Okay, here two integers are given. One integer 71 and another one is minus 21. Okay, 71 is the positive integer, minus 21 is the negative integer. Okay children, so now how will you add? Here two integers having opposite sign. Yes children, one is positive and another one is negative. If the integers having opposite sign, one is positive and another one is negative, so yes, we have to find the difference of the absolute values and put the greater value sign. Yes children, yes or no? In addition of integers without using number line, following two rules. Yes or no? Yes. The first rule is to add integers with the same sign. We add their absolute values and put the same sign with their sum. And the second rule, to add integers with the opposite signs, we find the difference of their absolute values and put the sign of the greater integer with the answer. Okay, so here following second rule. Okay, here integers having opposite sign, so we find the difference of the absolute values. Okay, so absolute value of 71 is 71, absolute value of minus 21 is 21 only. Now you find the difference. Difference means subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, so your answer 71 plus minus 21 is equal to, you subtract now, 1 minus 1 0, 7 minus 2 5. So your answer is 50. Okay, 50. Now you identify which one is big. 71 is bigger number. Yes children, so what is the sign of 71? Positive. So your answer is in positive only. Okay, clear? புரிஞ்சுதா? உன்னோட integers ரெண்டும் opposite sign. ஒன்னு பாசிட்டிவ்ல இருக்கு, இன்னொன்னு என்னவா இருக்கு? நெகட்டிவா இருக்கு. ஸோ இப்படி வேற வேற சைனா இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? அப்சல்யூட் வேல்யூவோட டிஃபரன்ஸை கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை போட்டுடணும். சரியா? Here absolute value of 71 is 71. Absolute value of minus 21 is 21 only. Okay. Now you find the difference. Difference is 50. Okay. Now you put the greater value sign. Here what is the greater value? Which is the greater value? 71. So 71 sign is positive only. Okay. So that's why your answer positive. Okay children? 50. Okay. Now the second question. Minus 21 plus minus 100. Minus 21 plus minus 100. Here the integers having same sign. Yes children, so to add integers with the same sign, we add the absolute values and put the same sign with their sum. Okay, so absolute value of minus 21 is 21, absolute value of minus 100 is 100. Now you add 1 to 1. So your answer is minus 21 plus minus 100 is equal to 121. Now you see the sign, which sign will come? Minus. Okay, here the integers having both are minus sign, so that's why your answer also is in minus. Okay, so your answer minus 121. Yes children? Okay, are you clear? Do you understand? Yes. So now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. and write today's day and date. Write the heading problems. Okay, this is yesterday class continuation only. Okay, so don't leave any page, just you write the question and write the answer. Okay children, take your classwork note and write it. இது நம்மளுக்கு ஏற்கனவே நேத்து பார்த்தது தான் சரியா. போன கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம இதை பார்த்துருந்தோம். நான் மறுபடியும் எதுக்கு சொல்லித்தரேன் அப்படின்னாக்கி இந்த அடிஷன் ஆஃப் இன்டீஜர்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். நம்மளோட பேசிக் தான், இன்டீஜரோட பேசிக் தான் நம்ம இப்போ படிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம் சரியா. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக எல்லாத்துக்குமே அடிஷன் நல்லா தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். ஸோ அதனால தான் நான் என்ன செய்கிறேன், திருப்பி திருப்பி எடுக்கிறேன். ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க. ஒரு ரெண்டு இன்டீஜரோட சைன் வேறு மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, அதாவது ஆப்போசிட்டாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா, ஒன்று பாசிட்டிவும் ஒன்று நெகட்டிவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், சப் பண்ணிவிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை போடணும் சரியா. அதே இது ரெண்டு இன்டீஜரோட சைனும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, அதாவது பாசிட்டிவாகவும் என்னது இல்லைன்னா போத் ஆர் நெகட்டிவ் அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்யணும், ஆட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். அவ்வளோதான் சரியா. Write neatly, and once your question and answer is completed, put your line using scale and pencil. Okay, okay children, are you listening? Yes. Have you finished? Okay children, next question. Listen, see your question. -21 plus 7 plus -7. Okay, all of you listen carefully, see your question. Minus bracket 1, closed bracket inside, what is there? -21 plus 7 plus -7. Okay, so how will you find? First of all, you write the question, -21 plus 7 plus -7. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of inside the closed bracket. Okay children, whenever there are more than one operations, we use the BODMAS rule. Yes or no? Remember, okay, there B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, so here in brackets, first of all you find the value of that is a closed bracket. Okay, closed bracket inside what is there? -21 plus 7. க்ளோஸ் ப்ராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ளே நம்மளுக்கு என்ன இருக்குது, எப்போவுமே ப்ராக்கெட்டில் உள்ளே இருக்கிறது தான் முதல்ல செய்யணும் சரியா. ஸோ உங்கள் ப்ராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ளே என்ன இருக்குது, க்ளோஸ் ப்ராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ளே -21 plus 7. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் we have to find the value of -21 plus 7. Okay, are you clear? புரியுதா? முதல்ல என்ன செய்யணும், ப்ராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிறது தான் முதல்ல செய்யணும் சரியா. ஸோ அப்போ நம்ம முதல்ல என்ன வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், -21 plus 7. So what is the value of minus 21 plus 7? Minus 21 plus 7. You see here, one is negative, another one is positive. Minus 21 is the negative integer, 7 is the positive integer. Okay. So if the integers having opposite sign, that means one is positive, another one is negative, means we find the difference of the absolute values and put the greater value sign. Yes, children? So we find the difference. Okay. So here absolute value of minus 21 is 21 only. Okay. So absolute value of 7 is 7. So now you subtract 21 minus 7. How much? 21 minus 7. Here 1 is there. 1 is smaller than 7. So you go to borrow. Okay. So that's why 1 here. 1 added. So 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Here 1 remaining. So your answer is 14. So 21 minus 7 is equal to your answer is 14. Okay. Now you see that big number is 21. Big number sign is minus. So your answer is minus 14. Okay, children. புரியுதா? முதல்ல நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம்? minus 21 plus 7 ஓட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். minus 21 plus 7 ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? இந்த ரெண்டு இன்டிஜர்ஸும் ஆப்போசிட். அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? சப் பண்ணிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை போடணும். சப் பண்ணும்போது 21 minus 7 14. Big number sign is negative. Yes, children, minus. So your answer is, what is the answer? Minus 21 plus 7. What is the value of minus 21 plus 7? Minus 14. Okay, children? Clear? First, இதோட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். இதோட வேல்யூ என்ன? Minus 14. Now, here plus is there. Here also minus 7. Okay, now you write again. Minus 7. புரிஞ்சுதா? இதோட வேல்யூ என்னது நம்மளுக்கு? Minus 14 plus minus 7. Okay, now you add these two integers. You see here two integers are given. One is this also minus 14, here minus 7. So both integers having same sign. So yes, we add the absolute values. Okay, we add their absolute value. Same sign இருந்துச்சுனா என்ன செய்யணும்? add பண்ணிரணும். So add பண்ணும்போது 14 plus 7 21. Okay, 14 plus 7 21. What is the sign? Minus sign. Okay, minus 14 plus minus 7 இருக்கு. ஒரே சைனா இருந்தா என்ன செய்யணும்? add பண்ணிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். So 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. So the sign is minus. So your answer is minus 21. Okay. So your question, minus 21 plus 7 plus minus 7 is equal to, your answer is minus 21. Okay, children? Clear? Purida? Okay. Now you see the next question. All of you listen. You see that question? Minus 9 plus minus 7. Close bracket inside. What is that? Minus 9 plus minus 7. Okay. So first of all, to find the value of minus 9 plus minus 7. So what is the value of minus 9 plus? First of all, you find the value of minus 9 plus having same sign. Yes, children? So we add the absolute values. Okay, so here absolute value of 9 is 9, absolute value of 7 is 7. So your answer is 9 plus 7 16. Okay, so 9 plus 7 16, the sign is minus. Okay, so minus 9 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 16. Therefore minus 9 plus minus 7 plus minus 12 is equal to, what is the value of? The value of minus 9 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 16. Okay, so minus 16 plus minus 5. Okay, children, புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்மளுக்கு question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? minus 9 plus minus 7. This is one bracket inside, okay? Plus minus 5. So that's why first of all we have find the value of minus 9 plus minus 7. So the value of minus 9 plus minus 7 is equal to what is the value? Minus 16. Okay. So the value is minus 16. Then plus minus 5. Okay. Now you see here also two integers. One is minus 16 and another one is minus 5. So both are same sign. Yes, children? So we have to add their absolute values. Okay. So 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. The sign is minus. Okay. புரிஞ்சுதா? ஒரே சைனா இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அதே சைனா போட்டுறணும். சரியா? அதே தான் பண்ணிருக்கோம். முதல்ல நம்ம இதோட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். அப்புறம் என்ன செய்றோம்? வந்திருக்க ஆன்சரோட இதை ஆட் பண்றோம். அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே? Clear children? Yes. Now write it in the classwork note. Do it. Write neatly, okay? Third question, then after, then you write fourth one, okay? So this is the rough work only. You find the value of bracket inside the bracket. Yes children, minus 21 plus 7 is equal to minus 14. So that's why you assign here, okay? Write neatly. Minus 9 plus minus 7 plus minus 5. Addition of integers வந்து ரொம்ப கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்கும். சரியா? நெகட்டிவ் சைனும் பாசிட்டிவ் சைனும் மாறி மாறி வரதுனால கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூஷனாக இருக்கும். நீ நல்லா கேர்ஃபுல்லாக பண்ணு. உனக்கு ரெண்டு ரூல் தான் நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவோம். அந்த ரூலை மட்டும் மைண்ட்லேயே வச்சுக்க, மறந்துடாது. சரியா? ஒரே சைனாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். வேறு சைனாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஆட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யணும்? சப் பண்ணிவிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை போடணும். அவ்வளோதான். இதை மட்டும் ஞாபகத்தில் வச்சுக்க. ஓகே? Finish? Children listen, you see the question, minus 7 plus 21, this is one bracket inside, okay, close bracket inside, plus minus 5. So first of all we have to find the value of inside the bracket, okay children. So minus 7 plus 21 plus minus 5, okay. So first of all we have to find the value of minus 7 plus 21. What is the value of minus 7 plus 21? What is the value of minus value say? 14 plus minus 5. Now you see, one is positive and another one is negative. Here also the integers having opposite sign. One is positive and another one is negative. Okay, so we find their absolute values and put the greater value sign. Okay, so here 14 minus 5, how much? Find the difference. 14 minus 5, 9. Yes children, what is the bigger value sign? Bigger value is here 14, so plus only. Okay, so therefore your answer is only 9. So our question, minus 7 plus 21 plus minus 5 is equal to your answer is 9. Okay children, clear? புரிஞ்சுதா? முதல்ல என்ன செய்யணும்? பிராக்கெட்ல இருக்க வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடி. பிராக்கெட்ல இருக்கிறது நமக்கு எவ்வளவு வந்திருக்கு? 14. அது கூட என்ன செய்யணும்? minus 5 ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஆட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யுது? இன்டீஜர்ஸ் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட் சைனாக இருக்குது. அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? சப் பண்ணிவிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை போடணும். ஸோ 14 minus 5 is equal to your answer is 9. Now bigger sign is positive. So that's why your answer only 9. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you see the next question. See the question, 17 plus minus 5. So here 17 plus minus 5 only inside. Yes children, so first of all we have to find the value of 17 plus minus 5. 17 plus minus 5, what is the answer? Here the integers having opposite sign. Yes children, one is positive and another one is negative. 17 is the positive integer, minus 5 is the negative integer. So రెండు వేరే సైన్. అప్పుడు என்ன చేయணும்? We find the difference. Okay, difference means subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, here bigger number is 17, smaller number is 5. Okay children, so 17 minus 5, 17 minus 5, 12. Okay, 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. Here the bigger number sign is positive only. So therefore your answer 17 plus minus 5 is equal to 12. So now you have your answer here, 17 plus minus 5, that means your answer is 12. Okay, 12 plus, here what is there? 5. So 12 plus 5, how much? 17. Okay, so here the integers having same sign. This also positive, this also positive. So same sign என்ன செய்யணும்? ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். சரியா? அப்போ ஆட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும்? 12 plus 5, 17. The sign is positive. So that's our answer is 17. Okay children, clear? Okay, now write it in your classwork note. Right children, ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கணும். சரியா? ஸோ இன்டீஜர்ஸ் வந்து ஆட் பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லாக ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஒரு சைன் மிஸ் ஆனாலும் நம்மளுக்கு டோட்டல் சம் ராங்காக போயிடும். ஓகே, that's why I am taking again and again this type of sums. Okay children? Have you finished? I hope you have written. Okay, children, listen. See the question. Bracket, that is a close bracket. Inside what is that? 50 plus minus 25 plus minus 3. Okay, so your question 15 plus minus 25. That's only inside the bracket. Okay, children. So first of all, we have to find the value of 50 plus minus 25. What is the value of 50 plus minus 25? 50 plus minus 25. Here one integer is positive and another is negative. Yes, children, one is positive and another is negative. So if the integers having opposite sign, then find the difference of absolute values and put the greater value sign. Okay, so here absolute value of 50 is 50 only, absolute value of minus 25 is 25. Now you subtract 50 minus 25. 25. Yes, here greater value sign is positive. Okay, so therefore your answer is 25. Okay, children, clear? So therefore 50 plus minus 25 is equal to your answer is 25. Now you apply the answer here. Okay, instead of 50 plus minus 25. So you write here answer is 25 plus minus 3. Okay, now you see here, this is positive, this is negative. The integers having opposite sign. One is positive and another is negative. Okay, so yes, again we find the difference. Same type of question. Okay, children, one is positive and another is negative. So we find the difference of absolute values and put the greater value sign. Okay, so therefore 25 minus 3 is equal to your answer is 22. Okay, 25 minus 3, your answer is 22. Here greater value sign is positive only. Yes, children, what is the sign of 25? Plus only. Okay, so that's why your answer also 22. So therefore 50 plus minus 25 plus minus 3 is equal to your answer is 22. Okay, write it in the classwork note. Okay, children, next question. Minus 15 plus 7. Okay, minus 15 plus 7 minus 10. So first of all we have to find the value of inside the closed bracket. Okay, inside what is there? Minus 15 plus 7. So the value of minus 15 plus 7, how much? Minus 15 is the negative integer, 7 is the positive integer. Okay, so the integers having opposite sign. One is negative, one is positive. So we find the difference of absolute values. So absolute value of minus 15 is 15, absolute value of 7 is 7. Now you subtract 15 minus 7 is equal to your answer is 8. Okay. So now you put 8. Now see here, which number is big number? 15. So what is the sign of 15? Minus. So you put the greater value sign. So that's why your answer is minus 8. So minus 15 plus 7 is equal to your answer is minus 8. Okay. Now plus again minus 10. Now you add minus 8 plus minus 10. What is the value of minus 8 plus minus 10? Here the integers having same sign. Yes children, minus 8 is the negative integer, minus 10 also negative integer. So we add the absolute values. Okay, here signs are same, both are negative. So that's why we add the absolute values. So the absolute value of minus 8 is 8. The absolute value of minus 10 is 10. Now you add 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. So now put 18. Then sign. Which sign will come? Minus. Why? You see here the questions are in, that is negative integers. Okay. So that's why you put the same sign. So your answer is minus 18. Therefore minus 15 plus 7 plus minus 10 is equal to your answer is minus 18. Okay children, clear? Okay. Now write it in the classwork note. Write it. Write neatly children. At the same time write carefully. Okay, the signs are plus and minus, both are there, so you write carefully. Have you finished? Write fast. And once your question and answer is completed, you put a line using scale and pencil. Okay. Now all of you take your max homework note, write the homework sums. Okay, all of you take your max homework note, write the homework sums. children, all of you take your max homework note and write it in the homework sums, okay? First question, add the following integers using number line. Okay children, here two questions are given. First of all you listen, okay, then afterwards you write. You see the question in homework question. First one, add the following integers using number line. Okay, using number line. Here use number line and find the answer. Okay, using number line and find the answer. First question, minus 9 plus 5, and second one 10 plus minus 2, and second question add without using number line. Okay, first question number line use பண்ணி நம்ம ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். second question number line use பண்ணக்கூடாது. சரியா? So here four questions are given, so you find the answer. Okay children, it is very easy sums, so do yourself. Okay children, now we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.